What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. As always, just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, supporting the channel, man. Um, uh, what I'm gonna talk about today is basically most of you guys that have been around since day one. You guys pretty much know that I had my engine rebuilt. I say about 5 months ago now. Yes, about 5 months ago, close to 6. What I'm about to do today is take it back to the shop so we can get an overhead done on it. It's about that time. I just encourage everybody, man, when you get to 500,000 miles, go ahead and put some new rods and mains in there, man, because, put some new rods and mains in there. From what I researched and learned about, you supposed to, do that like every 500,000 or somewhat. Right now I'm at about close to 40,000 miles on the rebuild. I'm at about 52,000 on the truck itself. And so yeah, I'm gonna get over there, take it over there and get that, try to get that overhead done on it. They told me it should take about a day, but I know how it can be with those guys. Sometimes they have a shop full, and it might be the next day I get it back, or it might be the day after. So, and plus it's time for me to get an oil change also. So, I may go ahead and get that done, get the oil changed, get all the filters changed. I'm probably gonna let them do it, or either go back to the TA. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'll think about it. The thing is, for those guys, PM, they charge $800. The TA, I can get I probably won't pay not even half of that with the discount that we get through Landstar. So it's like, but then again, it's like, do I want to wait 3 to 4 hours to get a PM done? Or do I want to go ahead and get it done right now, but just pay a little bit more money? And those guys do the same thing that TA do. They check all the fluids, check every fluid, even in the rear end. They do the greasing and all that stuff. So I know those guys. I know them. They got some good mechanics. And with TA, it's like, well, I don't know those guys. Everybody work different. And so that's something for me to think about before I get there. And so that's pretty much it. So don't forget, if you guys haven't commented on the video to win this, get over there and do it, because tomorrow is the last day to become eligible. So basically what that means is tomorrow, sometime around, I don't know, maybe sometime between 6 and 8 o'clock p.m. Central Time, I will be updating you guys with a video, just basically letting you guys know who all became eligible and who's gonna be in the drawing to win that. I was gonna do the first 100 people to comment, subscribe, and like and all that stuff, but honestly, I'm not gonna get it. I get a lot of views, but I don't get any likes, so I don't know why I made it that way anyway. So tomorrow, I'm gonna be updating the video, like I said, between 6 or 7, just letting you guys know who all made it, whatever, like that. So and probably either Friday or Saturday, I'll do the, I'm gonna go live. So yeah, I'm gonna go live and do the drones. Good luck to you guys. Trust me, this won't be the last time. I got some stuff in mind that I feel like a lot of people will be interested in buying, or not buying, but winning. So with that being said, I'm gonna get out here and what I already did, my pre-trip. So about to start up, let it run for a little bit, and get it to the shop. Got that thing on hook. Thing about putting me under the deck plate right up in here, like I got, they make that piece that go on the frame on the back end, like a chrome piece. Thinking about doing the whole thing all the way through. I'm gonna look into it. Not really worried about how the deck plate gets mounted on the back, because I mean, I'm not gonna be stepping back there anyway. Need to put some new shocks on. All that stuff. So far, so good. Soon to be, those stacks will be mounted in the front. So I'm just waiting on some stuff to come in. With me going, with those guys being the one that did the stats, I'm gonna show them what happened, so they won't make that, you know, so they can. I mean, even if they do it again on somebody else's truck, maybe they can come up with a better solution on basically mounting. So yeah, that's pretty much it.